Good morning. It's the first order of 2024. Good morning guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. I'm Shakay. I am a Jamaican Christian YouTuber, content creator, and I do mostly vlogs and sometimes beauty content and faith-based content. So today is Tuesday, October I don't know October what, honestly I don't know the days because I'm not at work. Bright because I'm not at work, you know the thing goes. So it is October 15th. So yeah, it is Tuesday, October 15th. So for today, I don't know, I said I'm gonna be doing like a day in my life vlog. So this is gonna be like a solo diaries kind of thing, just me trying to have fun with myself, trying to make the best of the situations that I have and all of that. So I'm at home. I don't think I'll be going anywhere today. So it's just finding things to occupy my time here other than what I normally do, which is just to play Sims, which is sad. Yeah, you know. Anyways, I'm gonna make breakfast right now, so come along with me while we make breakfast. So for breakfast this morning, I took out these wraps. These are the provincial garlic herb wrap. Yeah, so 12 come in a pack, and I think we don't use that much yet. Yeah, so I'm gonna be using this, and I took out these franks to use the grease chicken frankfurters. Maybe I soak it a little bit, but in too fat for the plate. So yeah, I wanted like an egg. I don't know, probably I'll drop an egg in there. Yeah, egg is here, so I might drop an egg in there. So just finished breakfast, and now I did say I wasn't gonna like go anywhere, but I think I'm gonna go on the road now. I'm in my first SHEIN order for 2024. Yeah, first me order from 2024 start, and I'm gonna be opening it when I get back. So I'm gonna go on the road with my dad and collect the package, and then when I get back I'll do a haul for you guys. So yeah, let's go. We're finally in Kelly's. My husband if we collect something, but as I said, I'm just gonna go and collect my package. It's nothing much for today. I'm just gonna collect package. That is it. See, I have money to collect the package because I collect one for me, one for Shan, and I think she ordered something for somebody else. So I think I should be getting 3 packages. But I don't know how much for my cost. I don't know which is which, but I think overall the 3 packages them come up to 6,250. I think, I'm not sure, but yeah. So we're going to collect those. I'm gonna collect those. Yeah. Alright guys, I'm back home. My ants just bite me. Jeez, but just come on, the ants bite me. So
for the SHEIN haul, let me explain. So this is like the first, as I said, it's the first order I've done for 2024. This order, I wanted some stuff to start a little business, a little small business, plus I just added some other stuff in it. So I want to start a faith-based jewelry company, but I'm starting with the bracelets. So yeah, so the order I did, I think it was about 24 or 23 stuff, somewhere there, but it's a small package, as you can see. So it's small stuff. So let's see what's in the bag. Excited. All right, so oh my god, they're so tiny. All right, so this is the first thing. It's some cross, nice to me. Yeah, some cross white, and then I think this is like supposed to be a bracelet for me. Oh my god, there's so much stuff. I love this. So this is supposed to be, I think, a bracelet for me, but look too, you know, me I try zoom on it in, but me look too weird all zoomed up like that. Can't open it. I can't open it. Yeah. So this is a bracelet for me. I love these charm bracelets. They are just the cutest. So I bought one for myself. Hopefully it can fit me. Yeah, it does. Yeah, so that's the charm. I love these charms too. They're so cute. So yeah, that's not for the business, that's for me. And then next thing for the business, also then did look some other cross. So as I said, it's faith-based, so which means I'm gonna have to put on like the cross and you know them kind of words there on it. So I got some white cross. Yeah, this is something other than one cross in there, like one little flowers. Then give me one little brata. All right, I can just look a bit. I'm sure it did some more than this. Let me get a pack of something here, but I'm sure it's there and more than this. Me I go check, cause I can't this little bit. Can't click. But yeah, these beads, I thought it was gonna be like a pretty much a whole pack of them, but I guess not. And then what is this? Oh, this is another bracelet I bought for myself. This is another bracelet. This is a silver bracelet that I bought for myself. It's cute. I thought it was gonna be shinier, honestly. Really thought it was gonna be shinier, but yeah, that's that. So far 5 items. Going on great, going on great. All right, so these are supposed to be the string. I hope I the right string. I didn't want the, what do you call it, the fish line strings. I wanted like the ones that I can weave, but these look like none of them either. But yeah, these are the strings. I'll open it later and see like the quality of it and stuff. But yeah, these are the strings for it. And then oh, these are so cute. So I got some gold as well, so some gold cross, and I also got some, what do you call these, pastel colors. My issue now is where am I gonna store all of these, because I need to get like a container that I'm gonna store all of these in. Oh, so cute. So these are the letters along with numbers in different colors. So I got black, color, white, stuff like that, hearts, yeah, so all of that. And then I got some more, what do you call these, some different shapes of beads. So I got some circles, some cross, some hearts, flowers, yeah. So here they are. As I say, I will make keep all of these things. Oh, ooh, this is heavy. Alright, I also got some black cross because I love black, so I assume people also love black like I do. So yeah. I got some, I don't want to call them something here, some charm things. All of these are for the bracelets, if you can see. I'm so excited for these. I mean, excited me excited. Keep people there, man. Like, I did buy, I thought I was getting an entire roll of white string. Wanna look here? Just take a look. It not even wrap good. Them wicked. Them could have given one entire roll. Go see black one. Did I buy a black one? I think I bought a black one. Go see a black one how it look. Yeah, same way. Same way. Like them literally take off piece of it. I bought black and white because I wanted extra black, extra white to go with them. So these are the strings that I'm gonna like put them on and all of that. So let's see how that works. Alright, and then ooh, I got something. This one up outside business. I'm gonna do the business stuff first, and then ooh, this is so cute. I got some crown charms for my bracelets as well. They are so cute. And then I think this is like the biggest one. These are the beads, the regular beads for the bracelets. At least this came with a container, so I don't have to worry about that. And it's so cute. Look at that. Yes. Black, brown, red, green, green. I'm so happy. I am happy. Guys, I love this. I love this for me. I think business wise, that is it. I think the others are my stuff, but those are business. I got like a few things for myself. So like these are some straw covers I wanted to buy for myself and for my mom. So let me show you guys mine. So the yellow one would be mine. So you put this on your like the straw, and then I use this little part to cover it. So yeah, it comes with a few of them. So each of us in the family can carry about 2 of them outside. Alright, so the next thing, I wanted a Jenga game. Yeah, it's very tiny. But yeah, I wanted this game. I don't even know if it play like Jenga or what. But it looks like Jenga. My battery flash. So I'm gonna switch to the phone to show you the 2 other stuff I have. Back to the bad quality. Anyways, this is a Jenga game. Now I'm gonna open that right now. Let's open it later to see how that works. It's very small. And then when I want to open this, this is supposed to be a present for my mom. So I'm gonna call her now and let her open it. But well, you can't open me box. Come on, see it. Inside to hide. It is so cute. So this is supposed to be the present. That is so nice. Oh my gosh, this is cute. So she doesn't know what it is. She didn't even know that I got it. So I'm gonna call her and let her open it. Yeah. And then the last thing, I got some, what do you call this, bandos. I don't even know. I wear them under like over my brassiere and the clothes. I needed some, so this is what they look like. Yeah. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. So 2 black, 2 tan, and 1 gray. So yeah, so that's the end of my haul. Hope you guys enjoy, and yeah, see you in the rest of the video. This is lunch, guys. So I'm having bula with some cheese and we call it sparkling water, the cran grape one. So yeah, just add some ice to the cup, and that is lunch. Hey guys, so electricity gone, so I stop play Sims because battery got run down. So yeah, so I'm outside. I'm gonna be making bracelets. I guess JP, so tell me I must give my eyes a rest. So we're gonna make bracelets. These are the beads. So yes guys, I finished making the bracelet. This is it. So this is like my, because I said it's faith-based, so this is my baptism year. This is the year I was baptized, so yeah, 2003. So yes, I'll be making them. This one was made a little bit too small, and the rain is coming again. By the way, there's no electricity, as me did say. I think me did say earlier, like gone, because rain not fall. Well, rain not even fall. Rain not even start falling. Okay, and like gone. So yeah. Hi guys, so it is the next day. It is Wednesday, and today I don't even remember what I vlogged yesterday. I know I was telling you guys that like rain and all those things. I think we did one SHEIN haul yesterday, but yeah, today we're going somewhere. Yeah, the homebody is going out. So it's, we call it heritage celebrations in schools, and I'm going to one of them. I'm not going to my school, so picked up my outfits, not too much, just one jeans pants and one Jamaica top and accessories. I'm gonna wear my tam because head not stay well, and then Crocs and them somewhere. So it starts at 10 and it is now 9:38 and I'm gonna beat it, but oh well. So I'm gonna go over there for a few, probably about an hour or probably 2, I don't know, hopefully not take long. Yeah, so I'm gonna head over there. I'm gonna take you guys with me. Hopefully I can film because it is a basic school, kindergarten, them kind of school here. So don't know if I'll be able to film. I'm not filming them, but if they have like booths where like them put up presentations and so, them will vlog, but me not put no body picnic in my vlog. So yeah, so my hair is in desperate need of pulling out and doing, but that is for our next story. So I just wanted to update you guys before I go and shower and then, you know, get ready. So I'm just update to know what's happening. So yeah. Alright guys, so I am ready. It's a gear glare, but oh well. So I'm ready with my tam and all these things. I'm gonna head over. I'm gonna head to the place now. As me say, it's just like a t-shirt and a jeans pants me wear. My ring I drop off of my finger. But anyways, I'm gonna head over and I'll see you guys over there. So guys, I bought Aki and what is rundown. We did try this for mine. Some I eat with these. So I love it.
By my name, the love you give me, I just can't deny. Cause you call me by my name, the love you give me, I just can't deny.